What's going on, guys? Matty Ice here, Leads for Local. So today I want to show you step-by-step how to use a brand new feature inside of GoHighLevel, and that is gift cards. Yes, we can now sell gift cards inside of HighLevel. I think it's pretty sweet. So I want to show you step-by-step how to create these, how people can redeem them, and just the process, like what happens after someone purchases them, like the emails that are sent out, and maybe some automations so that you can create around this as well. So make sure you stick to the end. We're going to have some fun today. Now, as usual, my only ask is if you find the video helpful, just do me a solid and hit that like button. It really does help. Consider subscribing. I've got some really cool stuff coming out regarding HighLevel and AI and all this stuff. So make sure you subscribe. And then also, if you don't have HighLevel yet and you want to support the channel, I will have my affiliate link down below in the description. I really do appreciate the support. You don't have to go through it, but it doesn't cost you anything extra. And I really appreciate it. Plus, it gives you a 30-day free trial and a free HighLevel bootcamp as well. So make sure you take advantage of that. All right, let's get into it. Now, over here on the left-hand side, we're going to click on Payments. That's where the gift cards feature is. Now, if you don't see it in your sub account, because this is, as I record this is a brand new feature. It hasn't been fully released yet. But if you go to Settings and then Labs, either in the sub account, you might need to go to your agency dashboard, the Labs in section under Settings in your agency dashboard, and turn it on for your sub account. So if you don't see it up here at the top right, that's probably what you need to do. But like I said, this is going to be, I think, released to all sub accounts in the near future. So yeah, but let's get started. So right here, we're going to click on Create Gift Card, and let's go ahead and give it a name. I'm going to do test gift card number 2, since this is the second one that I've created. You can name it whatever you would like, whatever's going to help you stay organized. You can give it a description here as well. You can set an expiration date. I don't know that you usually want to do that for gift cards, but every business is different. Now, also, this is pretty neat. We can link to a URL. So this would be very useful. Like so when someone buys a gift card, usually they're going to be able to use that for just about any product that we're selling on our website, I would think. If not, you can send them to a specific product page, like if it's for one type of product. But for example, I have a number of different like products, courses, programs, etc. that I sell in my business. So I might want to, actually, I don't even know if I have it on here. Leads for Local's affiliate program. It's my main website. So right now it's only letting me select the primary website, but what I'd probably want to do is add like I have a programs and services like specific page that lists out all of my products. I'd probably actually want to add that URL in here, and then so you would copy and paste that, click add. But if you just have a main website where or a page already, or a funnel that you already have that lists all your products, that's what you can do here. All right, and this will actually get sent along with, it says right here, along with the gift card code for redemption and more information. All right, so make it a little bit easier for people to redeem the gift card after they purchase it. All right, there's terms and conditions here if you want. All right, that's totally up to you. Up here or down here at the bottom right, we're going to click continue. And then this is what the design of the gift card looks like when someone's purchasing it on your website. And it's really cool too, because we're going to get an embed code where we could put this, the ability to purchase the gift card right on our website as well. It's pretty neat. All right, so this is already a template, but what I'm going to do is click on Create Gradient. That's probably what you will default to. And then you can just choose the different colors here. I'm just going to keep it simple. And so let's do, yeah, that looks pretty cool to me. All right, and give it a name if you want. Add to templates, so you don't have to do this part every time if you're going to create different types of gift cards. All right, and then we'll click Continue. All right, here you can add your denominations. All right, we'll do 25, 50, 100. You can enter specific amounts. So if I want to do $99 for whatever reason. Oops, yeah, don't add the $sign there. There we go. All right, and basically what's going to happen is people will be able to choose which denomination they want to purchase once we put this on our website. You can define a quantity if you only want to do a certain number. You can add tax here. You can choose categories. Don't really think we need that at the moment. All right, we'll click Continue. This is a preview of it. There's actually a QR code that they can use that you can send to people to purchase the gift card as well. I think that's pretty neat. All right, everything looks good. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and create gift card. All right, now, like I said, you can send the QR code if you want. What I'm going to show you how to do is how to embed this onto your website. All right, so under the gift card here, all right, we're going to, so you can send to specific customers if you want. Like if someone emails you or texts you, calls you like, hey, I want to buy a gift card. Can you send me a link? All right, so you add them into contacts if you don't already have them. Name, email, phone number, select customer, and then it will send it out to them to purchase. All right, so you could do that, or we can make it a little bit easier. So there's the share QR code as well. But let's do, we want to click on sell, and then we can get a direct link right here. So maybe you put this into, this would actually be a good idea to put this into a custom value. So maybe you do like some kind of marketing campaign, you create an automation or workflow that sends out emails and text messages specifically about buying a gift card, and you can take this link, put it into a custom value. You would insert the custom value in the email or text and would automatically send this. All right, so you could do that. But what I'm going to show you how to do is embed this onto your website. So we're going to copy this, all right, and then we'll test everything out here in a minute. But let's go to sites now. And all we're going to do is add a code element. I'm going to do this one here because I don't use this funnel anymore. All right, let's edit this in a new tab. All we need to do is add a code element to our page here, our funnel website. I mean, you could add this to a funnel website that's not even inside of HighLevel. As long as you have the ability to add a code or HTML type of element onto the page, then you can embed this gift card right onto the page. All right, so I think I may have already, no, I did not. All right, so what we're going to do is click on the plus sign over here, and we'll scroll down just a little bit. You can also type it in the search box up top, and we're going to grab the code element and drag that onto the page. All right, custom HTML, JavaScript. All right, we're going to click that element and open the code editor. We're going to paste in the embed code, save. All right, make sure you save the page, publish it afterwards, once everything looks good. I'm just going to preview it for right now so you can see what this looks like. And boom, there it is. Really cool. So they can select the denomination that they want, click buy. And obviously we're not going to buy anything right now, but we will do a test purchase so you guys can see the entire process. All right, so they would type in all the information here. All right, test. And then we'll click on card here. And then they'll be able to enter their card information, click pay, all that stuff. So I'll show you what that looks like once we do a test purchase. But that's how you would embed the ability to purchase a gift card right on your website. I think that's pretty darn sweet. All right, now let's go back to gift cards. All right, so we're going to click on payments, gift cards. I want to show you guys what this looks like the process that people go through when they purchase it, the emails that they get, and how they can redeem it. All right, so let's go back to, let's click on, let's click on sell again, yeah. So up here at the top right, we're going to do test mode checkout link. And what you're going to want to do is get I'm going to show it to you anyways, but Stripe has like a test card. It's 4242 4 times. And then you can use, as long as you have a future date for the expiration date, and you can use whatever security code you want on that. All right, so keep that in mind. All right, let's go back to the test page here. All right, so let's do $50. All right, we'll click buy. All right, they're going to put in all of their information. They can either buy one for themselves or for someone else. All right, so they're going to put their name in, their email, and the recipient's name and email. All right, delivery date. Here's the message. Hope you enjoy your gift. All right, they can type whatever they want. All right, we'll scroll down. They have multiple payment options here. All right, here's the card number. We're going to do 4242 4 times. That is the test card number. All right, and then we'll do, I think it said 1234 for expiration, and then I'll just do 001 for the security code, 32246 zip code. All right, they could save their information for faster checkout next time if they want. We're not going to do that for now. All right, let's go ahead and click pay. And then everybody's going to receive confirmation. So the person that purchases the gift card will receive a receipt and a purchase confirmation email. So should be 2 separate emails. And then the recipient will receive an email with all of the gift card information. They can download the gift card right there if they want. Maybe they want to manually send it to the recipient if they want. It's totally up to them. But if we go to, let's go to my email here. All right, because I used my Gmail and my Yahoo. All right, there is the receipt. Okay, so we can download that if they want. And then purchase order confirmation. You just sent a gift card to, so Jane Doe will receive a gift card of $50 sent by me. Pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. And then this is the email that the recipient receives once the gift card is purchased. Let's see. Let's give that a second to come through. Let me pause the video. All right, here it is. All right, so let's open this up. So we have received a gift card. Very cool. All right, there's the gift card code. So again, if they, so like right here, oh, this is so cool, man. So they can actually click this, that URL that links to your product page. Like I was saying, let's see, if I go to services and training, this is actually the page that I would want to copy and paste and add as a link to the gift card. So it just takes them right to everything that they can purchase. That's probably what I would recommend. But yeah, you could take them, it takes them right to the product page so they can quickly order. And then, let's say, they clicked on this one, right? This particular product right here. I'm just going to use one of my sales pages as an example, to show you how they would use the gift card. Let's see, let me just fill out that because this is a 2-step order form here. So let's go to step 2. All right, now, under billing, they are going to be able to enter a gift card code. Oh, wait, I got to select a state here. So, now it should work. There we go. All right, very cool. And then right here at the bottom, guys, they can take that gift card code right, so right here, copy, if it'll let me, there we go. And then we can paste that in, apply, see if it actually works. I don't know if I have it because it's probably not going to work because this is a live order form page, and we just did a test purchase, so it's probably not going to work. But that's okay. Once they purchase like a real actual gift card, then it should be applied to that balance. So that's how they redeem it. Really cool stuff. I think that's pretty much it. Here's the message that they put, how much the gift card is for. That's the message that the purchaser put in when they were making the purchase for the gift card. All right, so that's how we test it. Make sure everything's good. That's how the person redeems it. So that's good. We don't need that. I showed you how to put the gift card on your website. You're pretty much good to go as far as using the gift card. I do want to show you like how to create some automations around this if you want. And also, actually, let's go through the dashboard here as well. So you can see, so if we click on orders, like if you want to see, like obviously it tells us how many gift cards have been issued, how many new customers have purchased these gift cards. All right, and we can see all of the different orders. We can search by name as well, all contacts, specific contacts, denominations as well. So, you have a lot of search functionality here, on the business end if you want to see how many have been purchased, for what denomination, etc. All right, so just keep that in mind. Yeah, let me show you how to create some automations around this if you want. Let's see, so let's go to automation. So what's really cool is when we create the gift card, it actually shows up as an actual product inside of the workflow builder, so we can use that as a trigger. Maybe you want to create tags, you want to, I don't know, receive a specific type of notification that a gift card has just been sold. Maybe you want to send like a specific type of thank you email or text message to the person that purchased it. A lot of different options. All right, so what we'll do is we'll create new workflow. We'll start from scratch. I would say, keep it pretty simple, obviously, but you can get a little more sophisticated as you build on it. All right, but we're simply going to add new trigger, and let's do, I think it's, what is it, payment? Yeah, payment received, no, it's order submitted, I think. Actually, it might be both. Yeah, global product, that's what we need for the filters. The global product is, and then let's type in, yeah, here they are, gift cards, all right, gift card 2, save trigger. All right. And then at that point, what do you want to happen? So like we could send a text message to that person. I'm wondering if we have the ability to send gift card information. I'm not sure. I'll have to look that up. I don't see a specific option for it right now, but I imagine that's going to be, we'll be like we could probably create a specific type of workflow around that. But you know, they're already getting confirmation of everything anyways, so I don't know that that's necessary. But maybe like a simple thank you email and text message that goes out to the person. Make sure you publish it, save it, and you're good to go. But I just wanted to show you that the gift card actually shows up as a product inside of the workflow builder, so you can use it as a trigger to create really cool workflows. So with that, I will go ahead and wrap up, guys. That is how we use gift cards inside of HighLevel. I think it's a really cool extra new feature. What do you guys think? Drop some comments down below. If you have any additional questions or other HighLevel tutorials you want me to do, let me know in the comment section as well. But I hope you guys are crushing it. Hope you found the video helpful, and I will talk to you in the next one. To your success, Matty Ice is out.